Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kissed the Moon, chapter 24. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Shangyi and Wan Ting, the two of them were still together, and Shangyi's assistant was calling her. What's the matter? Wan Ting is asking Shangyi. Right now, it turns out it's been questioned. Are you in Mr. Tang's studio? Well, definitely, she didn't said anything last night. That's why her friend is really worrying about her. Xiaoyi, I can feel your difference to teacher Tang, but one more thing is not as good as one less thing. I hope you understand. Right now, Shangyi said I. Suddenly, she got froze. She was looking at one thing. Now, immediately, you came back. You know my tempered. Right now, she's sending a message again. Well, definitely, he knows her friend, but right now, she even can't say the word. But it was one thing, looking at her. Probably she got really worried about her. What's the matter? Has something to do with me? Right now, Shangyi said, well, it is. Definitely, she really can explain to her. Only Shangyi and her friend knows about this. Bao said that there's a designers in your name who has negative news. I don't know exactly what is it, but you better have more hearts. If it's a matter of principle, if you can cut the seed, you can cut the seed, so as not to be implicated. In addition to you, how many designers do you have in the studio? Hearing this one thing, she seems to be rattled. What? It is Li He, right now. Who's the person called Li He? And why suddenly he is appearing on this? Shangyi, although Li He has been utilitarian, he has done his best in the past few years, and since then he started working with me. Oh, it turns out it was a previous colleague who's working with her, but right now, where's the person? Suddenly Shangyi grabbed her hands. Well, what is Shangyi thinking? Definitely, she really knows a lot of things, including this. Well, he was really popular and also some connection, so she can able to dig up what happened in the past. By telling you this, I hope that you will have a psychological preparations for the future, not to start worrying now. Oh, it turns out Shangyi was giving her a hint. Well, definitely. It's like a payback for her, but right now, looking at one thing, she said to her, yes. Now, she was citing, however, since there is a risk, then this dress. Oh, what about the dress right now? Suddenly, she picked it up, but looking at Shangyi, what? I want to regret it. You know, I don't mean that. One thing said to her, now, Shangyi, she was really good at teasing One Thing, especially right now. One Thing, she was really blushing. That, are you worried about me? Well, definitely, she really worried about her. Especially, Shangyi, she got really interested on One Thing, and it really shone how she looked worried right now. Suddenly, it was One Thing. She pushed her away. Mr. Sham, it's out of the bounds. Oh, this girl again. When this thing happened, she always pushed her away from her. She was restraining herself. If you're really implicated by my side, then how can I have the nerve to cooperate with you in the future? Well, one more thing. One thing is right, but for now, they're really looking forward for the future. Well, let's see. But right now, Shangyi said to her, the mouth is so tight like a masa, it's not easy to hear something nice from your mouth. Shangyi said to her, it looked like she was complaining, but for now, she really good at teasing her. But for one thing, good words. Do big star businessmen hear less? Oh, now, it was One Thing turns. Now, she really wanted to tease Shangyi. Looking at the situation, the two of them are getting closer to each other. Especially, it was One Thing. Now, she become talkative. The more it's not easy to get, the more precious is it. One Thing said to her, well, definitely, this girl, she become talkative when it comes to Shangyi. Oh, look at that. The assistant suddenly arrived. Sister, the dress is here. Oh, this girl. She must be really surprised. Suddenly, she entered the room. She come to an awkward situation. Looking at the bad angle, she must be really terrified on what she see. What is this? Well, it turns out, an awkward situation. One thing, she is not in a good view. That's why her assistant suddenly feels strange right now. Something just in my eyes, thanks to your boss who helped me to blow it out. Oh, is this really the reason? Well, definitely, she was really lying, right? We can wait to see what will happen. For now, in this awkward situation, of course, they really need to defend themselves. Oh, sister, the dress. Who will believe these ghost excuses? There's a problem at first glance, okay? Well, definitely this girl, no. She's been deceived by the two. But of course, you're really going to hide it. One thing said to Shangyi, really, did you want to wear it? Shangyi at this moment, she was humming. Well, definitely, she really want to wear that dress. But thankfully, the thing's getting better. And I don't talk too much. If there's anything wrong, please contact me. One thing said to Shangyi, now, being casual to each other. Probably the awkward situation is a real deal now. That's why they're not talking to each other. Now Shangyi, she received the dress. Look at her, it's like she was teasing. But of course, right now, she touched her fingers and trying to say something. This girl, this is really crazy. Right now, looking at her, she moved closer to her and she whispered on her ears. Shangyi said to her, then, wait for me to contact you. Well, this is really awesome, right? The situation is really getting better. After speaking to her, finally Shangyi already leave. Well, it's been fast show. Right now, looking at one thing, she was looking at Shangyi. Well, definitely, she's going to wait if she's trying to call her. Right now, cold, but still can get in touch. Well, definitely, she is. It's like Shangyi is really a goat, but it's really hard to contact by. But for Shangyi, for her, she was really different, that's why it's taking time to go for her. Now, seeing her phone, is she really going to wait for her? Well, definitely. Looking at her, she was still blushing. Probably, she was really happy. But right now, she was only acting like the natural. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!